Okay, record also started. Okay, and today we're discussing about payment terms. So payment term is nothing but not only it is useful for vendor or customer also. Payment term is nothing but terms and conditions of vendor payment or customer payment. So these payment term, terms and these payment term terms and conditions are decided before when we are issue the purchase order at the rate at the time of when we are receiving the sale order from customer. So in these terms and conditions mentioned in invoices. So for example, we can receive any goods and services from XYZ vendor. So at the time of invoice received, vendor he will mention terms and conditions of the particular payment. For example, we are receiving material worth of 1 lakh rupees. So in that 1 lakh rupees, due date is 1 month or 45 days or 60 days something. So that is due date also he is mentioning invoice. So at the same time, he is also mentioning one more key points in that invoice. That is, if we are clearing that invoice related amount before before due date. Before due date means before due date 10 days before or 20 days before, 30 days before, whatever. So for example, invoice date is you just open the Excel sheet. Okay, here you can see for example, invoice amount is 50,000 something. So invoice date. So okay, invoice date is in payment term TSPN. You just change your company code or whatever. Company code and invoice date. Company code. Okay, and invoice date is like this month 10th. Not here, on payment term beside only you need to update AB01 beside. Okay. So for example, invoice date is this month. This month first tarikh you need to mention 1/1/2025. Okay, this is the invoice date, right? And due date is you just mention. Okay, invoice date. We say one more column, due date. Due date is like 45 days or 30 days you need to mention. 30 days means 31/11/2025. Okay. Vendor is providing 30 days time to pay, to clear that payment. It means we are receiving the goods from this month first tarikh. At the same day also we receive the invoices. So in that invoices, document date is 1/1/25. So under the key points, vendor mentioned terms is, I mean, like due date is 31st. It means we have a time up to 31st. Before up to 31st, we have a time to pay that invoice. And one more thing, payment term is, for example, 1/1/25 is the document date. So 10/1/25 you need to mention first day. 10 days, I already mentioned 10 days column, like 10 days, 30 days, 20 days, 30 days. పైన ఉంది కదా 10 days 20 days అక్కడ అప్డేట్ చేయండి, మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఎలా అయినా చేయండి, పర్లేదు. ఇదేంటంటే బేస్ లైన్ డేట్ గురించి ఈ స్టెప్ తర్వాత చెప్తాను. పైన అప్డేట్ పేమెంట్ టర్మ్ ఉంది కదా, ఎల్లో కలర్, దాంట్లో అప్డేట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ 10 days ఉంది. ఓకే, దానికి ఆపోజిట్ లో 2500 పక్కన 10 days అంటే మనకి ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది, 10/1/2025. ఓకే, you need to 10/1/2025 and 20 days means 20/1/25. So 30 days, if you are clearing that invoice after 30 days or 30 days, you no need to get any discount, right?
Yes, sir.
Here, I need vendor, he is mentioning on the invoices, payment term key points is invoice date is 1/1/25. So before 10 days, before 10 days means like it means like before 10 days means invoice date after 10 days. So 10/1/2025. So if we are clearing that invoice amount before 10th or 10th day, then we will get 5% of the discount, right? So 50,000 by 100 into 5%, 10% 5,000 and 5% 2,500. At the same time, 20 days. So 20 days means same day. Invoice date is 1/1. 20 days means before 2021/2025. Right? Pradeep, are you understand?
Oh, yes, sir.
Uh, if you are clearing the amount 21/2025, then automatically you will get 3% discount,
Okay.
1,500. So after 20 days, like 21, 22, 23, up to 30, whatever the date we are making the payment, but you are not getting any discount, single rupee of any discount, because discount terms and conditions is up to 10 days and 20 days from invoice date only. Based on that payment term, system will calculate it automatically. So these payment term we need to create OBBA transaction code. We will define the uh, payment terms like 5% or 3% something. And one more thing, baseline date. So this is also one of the interview question. What is meant by baseline date? How system it will be calculated? Payment discount. How it will be calculated discount? It means based on the baseline date. So and also one more question: how will fix the baseline date? So it is based on the vendor terms and conditions or vendor agreement. For example, invoice date is this month first. Invoice date, like physical document date is this month 5th. But due to some technical issue, vendor user is not available or other technical issues. When user is posted, this document is this month 5th. But physical document date is 1. User posted is this month 5th. So here you can see posting date and baseline date. So కింద చూపించండి ఒకసారి 25/10/2024 ఉంది కదా, అక్కడ మార్చండి ఫస్ట్ 01/01/2025. 01/01/2025. This is the document date. Next, user receive the document same date, but unfortunately some other issues. User is posting the document on systems this month 5th. Right, second one, 5/1/2025. 5/1/2025 posted date, right? So as per here you just observe as per supplier, it means as per vendor terms and condition, vendor is mentioned in invoices. Baseline date you will calculate it from document date only, not for posting date. It means వెండర్ ఏం చెప్తాడు, బేస్ లైన్ డేట్ ని మీరు డాక్యుమెంట్ డేట్ మీద ఉన్నటువంటి డేట్ నే మీరు బేస్ లైన్ గా ట్రీట్ చేసుకోండి. అంటే మీరు సిస్టంలో ఎప్పుడైనా సిస్టంలో ఎప్పుడైనా మీరు డాక్యుమెంట్ పోస్ట్ చేయండి, డాక్యుమెంట్ మీద ఉన్న డేట్ నుంచే 10 డేస్ కి నేను 3%, 5% ఇస్తాను, 20 డేస్ కి 2% ఇస్తాను, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ నేను డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది ఇవ్వను అనేది ఇన్వాయిస్ లోనే మెన్షన్ చేసి ఉంటాడు. సో ఇక్కడ బేస్ లైన్ డేట్ అంటే మీరు యాజ్ పర్ వెండర్ అగ్రిమెంట్ ప్రకారం బేస్ లైన్ డేట్ డాక్యుమెంట్ డేట్ ని మనం ట్రీట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇది ఒక సినారియో. ఇంకొక సినారియో ఏముంటుంది, వెండరు మీరు మీరు 10 డేస్ 15 డేస్ తర్వాత పోస్ట్ చేయండి, నేను యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తాను. మీ సిస్టంలో మీరు పోస్ట్ చేసిన డేట్ నుంచి 10 days కి 20 days కి పేమెంట్ టర్మ్ 10 days కి 5% 20 days కి 3% డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది నేను యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తాననే అనేది ఇది ఒక టర్మ్. అంటే డాక్యుమెంట్ డేట్‌ని బేస్ లైన్‌గా ట్రీట్‌గా చేస్తాము. అలాగే పోస్టింగ్ డేట్‌ని బేస్ లైన్ డేట్‌గా ట్రీట్ చేస్తాము. అలాగే ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ డేట్ అంటే సిస్టమ్‌లో ఇంకొక ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ డేట్. అంటే పోస్టింగ్ డేట్‌ని ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ డేట్ అంటారు. సో, ఇలా బేస్ లైన్ డేట్‌ని ఏ సినారియోస్‌లో బేస్ చేసుకొని ట్రీట్ చేస్తామని మిమ్మల్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూ పాయింట్‌లో అడిగినప్పుడు బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద టర్మ్స్ అండ్ కండిషన్స్‌ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మేము బేస్ లైన్ డేట్‌ని డాక్యుమెంట్ డేట్‌నైనా బేస్ లైన్ డేట్‌గా తీసుకుంటాము. యాస్ వెల్ యాస్ పోస్టింగ్ డేట్‌నైనా బేస్ లైన్‌గా తీసుకుంటాం అనేది మనకు ఆన్సరు. సో, ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఈ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ సిస్టమ్‌లో చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. గో టు ఆహ్, గో టు గో టు OBBA ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోడ్. OBBA. Okay. So here already some standard payment terms is there, but we need to create a new payment term. So that click on new entry. Okay. You just mention payment term name something, your company code or whatever. AB, AB0 S1 or something, AB01, whatever. Okay. This is the payment term, right? This is the one payment term. Then you can see this payment term eligible for customers and vendors. So if same payment term, if you want to use customer and vendor, you can active this checkbox. Otherwise, this payment term only we need to active for vendor. Then you can remove the customer. So okay. So this baseline date calculation, this and all not required, and payment block, payment method default. So here there is a checkbox payment block payment method default. So once you can activate this black option, so whenever you are running APP payment, if these kind of this payment term relevant invoices system, it will not be accepted. So this is the checkbox. So this is not required. Just remove it. And coming to default for baseline data. Here I just explain in next slide. So here no default means system it will take yes, right. Baseline data. So baseline date is nothing but based on the baseline date only system it will calculate the discount percentage. So here in our point of view, our baseline date is document date only. So that we need to select the document date. Okay, here document date. So or else sometimes if you want to use posting baseline date is a posting date, then you can check active the posting date. Otherwise, if you want the entry date also, post entry date and posting date also same thing. So in my point of view, my vendor is accepting only document date only. So okay, you can activate document date, and here we need to fix the percentage. For example, payment percentage. You need to update 5%. 5%. Number of days 10 days only. Fixed rate is and all not required. Okay, click on the second percentage. 20. Maybe 20. Okay, enter చేయండి. తీసుకోకపోతే 25. Within 10 days, 5% cash discount. Within 20 days, 3% cash discount. Okay, this is the payment term we are going to define. So just save it. Okay, now payment term is defined. Then one more thing. So whenever you are getting the discount from vendor invoices, for example, whenever you're receiving the invoices, immediately we can generate the invoices. So then automatically we need to pay some amount to invoice amount to the vendor. So that is also current liability. So accounts payable. So later, whenever we are making the payment in earlier, then we will get some discount from on the particular invoices. For example, invoice amount is 1 lakh. So we are making a payment earlier. It means 10 days before or 20 days before, then you will get 5% or 3%. So these 5% or 3% discount amount, we will treat as a other income. So it is sudden unexpected income, right? So
Yes,
this
sir.
discount amount will treat it as a other income. So we need to create one other income GL account. Like we need to create a one GL account. It is
Like
comes under
miscellaneous.
the other income, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
So at the same time, customer point of view also, customer discount received. So customer discount received means we are giving the discount to our customer. So it means, so here we are losing some amount. So that is other expenditure. Okay. When you are getting the customer point of view, we can explain that one. So first we need to create one GL account, vendor discount received. Go to FS 00. Once open the worksheet, step by step only we can move. Okay, payment term and create other income GL account FS 00. Okay. Other income you are not created. Other income GL account till you did not created. You can go to OBD4. Just check it the other income GL group number range. OBD4. My voice is clear, right?
Yes, sir. Clear. Audible.
Last 1 week, 10 days, yeah, cold is not controlled.
Hmm. Bit better, sir, now?
No, but
Better, you shifted to now what location was, sir? Better
hmm.
have hot water initially because water change also.
Uh, yes, yes.
Other income. Yes, sir. Other
No,
income group.
no. First, you need to select your chart of accounts.
Okay, okay, okay. Sorry.
Maximum కంపెనీ కోడ్‌ని క్రియేట్ చేయండి అన్నిటికి కూడా ఫర్దర్‌గా మర్చిపోకుండా.
Sure, sir.
ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు అదర్ ఇన్‌కమ్స్‌లో చూడండి. చెక్ ది అదర్ ఓకే.
Hmm.
అదర్ ఇన్‌కమ్ 1,900,000 to 1,09,900 ఉంది కదా!
అవును సార్.
ఓకే. జస్ట్ రిమెంబర్ దట్ 1,09,900 అండ్ గో టు ఎఫ్ఎస్ 006. ఓకే. ఓకే. అండ్ అదర్ ఇన్‌కమ్ హ్మ్.
Yes, other income GL. Miscellaneous ఓకేనా సార్ ఇన్ కేస్
అర్థం కాలా.
మిస్లేనియస్ ఇన్కమ్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు అంటారు.
లేదా మనం అంటే మనం గ్రూప్స్‌ని అట్లా డిఫైన్ చేసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి మిస్‌లీనియస్ ఇన్‌కమ్ అనేది ఏందంటే ఇట్లా కంపెనీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో స్క్రాప్ అలాంటి వాటిని మిస్‌లీనియస్ అంటారు.
ఓకే.
ఓకే. క్రియేట్ చేయండి. ఉన్నారా?
లైన్ ఐటమ్ డిస్ప్లే అవసరం లేదు కదా సార్?
చార్ట్‌కి
It's under P&L statement or balance sheet? You select that P&L.
వాట్ ప్రదీప్?
అదర్ ఇన్కమ్ పిఎండ్ఎల్ ఓన్లీ. ఎక్స్పెన్స్ ఇన్కమ్ పిఎండ్ఎల్.
ఇన్‌కమ్ అండ్ ఎక్స్‌పెండిచర్ ఆల్ P&L.
No.
పోస్టింగ్ డేట్ సార్?
చార్ట్‌కి ఇచ్చేసింది. ఓకే. వెండర్ నెంబర్ ఇవ్వండిలెండి. అంటే మనకి అట్లా డిస్కౌంట్ జిఎల్ చెక్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఏ వెండర్ కింద మనకి డిస్కౌంట్ వచ్చిందనే రిపోర్ట్ రావాలి కాబట్టి వెండర్ నెంబర్ ఇవ్వండి.
డన్ సార్.
ఓకే. క్రియేట్ బ్యాంక్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్‌లో ఇక్కడ నార్మల్ ఇచ్చేసింది G001. ఓకే, సేవ్ చేయండి. లైన్ ఐటమ్ డిస్ప్లే చెక్ ఇండికేటర్ అంట. ఓకే, సేవ్ చేసి లైన్ ఐటమ్ డిస్ప్లేని యాక్టివ్ చేయండి. మళ్ళీ ఎడిట్లోకి వెళ్ళి ఓపెన్ ఐటమ్ కింద ఓకే సేవ్ చేయండి.
డన్ సార్.
ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సిస్టమ్ అనేది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా పోస్టింగ్స్ చేసేదానికోసం అంటే ఈ లైక్ ఈ వెండర్ డిస్కౌంట్ అనే జిఎల్ ని మనము ఎంట్రీ పోస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం అసలు సెలెక్ట్ చేయము. ఓన్లీ మనం డెబిట్ అండ్ క్రెడిట్ లైన్ ఐటమ్స్ నే చేస్తాము. సిస్టమ్ పేమెంట్ జరిగినప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఈ జిఎల్ కింద బ్యాలెన్సెస్ ని వచ్చినటువంటి డిస్కౌంట్ అమౌంట్ ని పర్టికులర్ హౌ మచ్ అమౌంట్ డిస్కౌంట్ టు రిసీవ్ system will automatically added that discount amount to the particular GL account, discount GL account. So this purpose we need to activate this GL accounts for automatic posting with the help of OBXU transaction code. Third step is assignment of accounts for automatic posting. Okay, go to OBXU. Vendor ki OBXU, customer ki OBXR. /n OBXU. జస్ట్ మీరు పేమెంట్ టర్మ్ అయినప్పుడు ఈ ప్రాసెస్ ని మీరు మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారంటే ఈ ప్రాసెస్ చెప్పారంటే ఇట్లాంటి చిన్న టాపిక్స్ కూడా మీకు 3-4 మినిట్స్ 2-3 మినిట్స్ కవర్ చేసేయచ్చు. సంథింగ్ అకౌంట్ డిటర్మినేషన్. ఓకే, దీన్ని హైడ్ చేసి ఎంటర్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. మళ్ళీ కింద స్టాప్ షేరింగ్ ఉంది కదా, హైడ్ చేసి ఎంటర్ చేయండి. సేవ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఈ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోడ్ లో మనం ఇప్పుడు జిఎల్ ని ఆటోమేటిక్ గా అసైన్ చేయాలి. ఏదైతే ఇప్పుడు FS00లో మనం జిఎల్ ని క్రియేట్ చేసాం కదా, ఆ జిఎల్ నెంబర్ ని ఇక్కడ అప్డేట్ చేయండి. డ్రిల్ డౌన్ చేయండి వస్తుంది. So here this is the main important whatever we created the vendor discount GL account we need to assign here. Okay, save it. Okay, so first just 3 steps completed. First one is payment term is defined, then vendor discount GL account is created, then that GL account is assigned from OBXU transaction code. Then final step is whatever payment term we created, this payment term we need to assign our vendor master data. So then only whenever trying to post particular vendor relevant invoices, system it will pick automatically particular payment term. So go to XK02 XK or FK. Okay,
సార్
/n
ఇది ఒకటి సార్ అడుగుదాం అనుకున్నా. అది ఎక్స్కి ఎఫ్కి 02కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి సార్? సేమ్
XK అనేది మనం ఫైనాన్స్ వాళ్ళు క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు.
ఓకే,
FK వాళ్ళు MM వాళ్ళు క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు, పర్చేసింగ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్.
ఓకే, సేమ్ అట్లా సేల్స్ కూడా అంతేనా సార్?
అంతే అంతే. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ వెండర్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసి
ఎక్కడ అసైన్మెంట్ ఎక్కడ సార్?
అసైన్మెంట్ కాదు, ఇక్కడ చూడండి మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను. ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఇది దిస్ ఈస్ ద వెరీ
Payment
ఇంపార్టెంట్. జనరల్ డేటా మీన్స్ vendor for example this is the one vendor, so this vendor we can use multiple company codes for transaction purpose, so that whenever we are updating any general relevant data, this information we can use all kind of company codes. Otherwise here there is any company code data. Here you can just select the transactions. We can update any information regarding the particular vendor it is reflected only company code level only. Here you can see purchasing organization data. So purchasing organization. So there are, if we can open any vendor master data, then automatically it will shows three type of data, like general data, company code data, purchasing organization data. This is also an important question. So
Sir,
we
once
just
repeat చేయండి sir.
so whenever vendor master data having three steps, like general
Yes, sir.
data,
Company
company code
data,
elevator
purchase
data, and
order.
purchasing order data.
In
Okay,
same
now
way
we want
for
to check.
customer sales organization data difference. Sir.
And then, so now we want to update company code level wise, right? So click on the company code data under the payment option, second one. So general data you need to hide. Okay, okay, just enter it. Now just activate this one and enter. Okay, so payment term. So whenever previously we created a vendor, we just updated 0001. So we need to activate new one,
AB.
AB0.
Yes.
Just changes has been made. Okay, just go to the worksheet. Assignment of payment term. So these four steps is the configuration level. So vendor payment terms or customer payment term. So if you are whenever you are trying to explain payment terms relevant so then automatically these four steps is the configuration steps and remaining FB60 and FB53 is the normal steps, right? So just try to post one document FB60 same one for same vendor. You just enter the text only, whatever. Whoever came from commerce students, they already tried to create a enter narration.
Mm.
Many times, many times I observed.
Mm.
No, no. You are selecting FB60 or FB53.
FP60 sir.
Why you are selecting bank GL account? Raw material you need to select.
Sorry sir. Yes.
Okay. Just enter. Okay. Here not required. Top side already you mentioned vendor.
Mm.
Okay. Just enter. Click on enter. Okay, system it will shows automatic. It will move to the second stage like basic data,
Payment.
payment data. So here AB01 because based on the master data we assigned the AB01, right? So automatically system it will pick the AB01 payment term based on that before
Discount
whenever
also
making the
reflecting sir.
based on that
5%, 5,000.
yes before going to make the payment system it will allowed discount percentages, 5% or 3%. So here, for example, some of the invoices, same kind of vendor, some of the vendors send some of the invoices. In that invoices, he did not update any payment term, like zero pay discount. If you are making a payment earlier or delay, he did not provide any kind of discount. So in this scenario, how we can manage means we have an option to edit the payment terms. Just remove that AB01.
Okay.
So that this one also important question. So we already fixed some payment term in vendor master data, but some one or two invoices vendor is not providing any kind of discount. How we can post the transaction? It means we have an option to override the payment term at the time of document posting. So whatever the data, configurational data, master data, any kind of transaction before, if you can done the configuration, we have an option to override the configurations at the time of transaction posting. Not only payment term, any kind of transactions, we have an option to override. Okay, you just enter it. Okay, just save it. Save it. Okay,
Created.
one document posted without payment term, and try to post one more document with same payment term.
Taking the payment terms.
Yeah, discount we only granted up to 0%. Okay, so vendor and customer tolerance group we just created tolerance group only. We did not updated any percentage, right?
Percentage or amount also? Oh, yes, sir. Not at fixed.
Uh, So go to the transaction code. What is the transaction code?
OB.
OBC4 or something. Vendor master data creation. Whenever try to create vendor master data.
Just a minute.
Once
OB.
once again.
Just a minute.
You just open the regular Excel sheet.
OB A4 for employer, OB A0 sir, for
No.
GL. Tolerance limits, sir, or group?
Tolerance remotes. Vendor master data Excel sheet is there, right? Once again, I'll open Excel master data, vendor master data. So create tolerance group for both like vendor and customer, OBA3. Go to OBA3 transaction code. Open new screen. OBA3. So go to position, select your tolerance group. ABCV something. ABCV, customer and vendor. CV. I think that one you created, right?
Yes, sir.
Not there. Not there.
Just
No,
a
this
minute.
is not yours.
Just a minute, sir.
అక్కడ డిస్ప్లే కాదనుకుంటారు OBY6 టోలరెన్స్ గ్రూప్
అవునా సార్? ఆహా, నేను 9 సార్ అది చూసాను ఒకసారి చూద్దాం.
టోలరెన్స్ గ్రూప్ మీరు ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా యూ నీడ్ టు మెయింటైన్ ఎక్సెల్ షీట్
Yes, sir.
What is your tolerance group? Not there.
Yes, sir. Estimate, sir. ఇది ఉండాలి ఎక్సెల్.
Pradeep, are you understand, right?
Oh, yes, sir. Understand.
So your mistake is and vendor and tolerance group discount percentage till we didn't update any percentage. So it means system it will take automatically 0% only.
Okay.
So we need to extend 5% or 10% something. ఒక separate folder మెయింటైన్ చేయండి రఘురామ్.
చేస్తున్నాను సార్.
ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు ఉంటుంది అది? ఎక్సెల్ లో కదా మీరు అప్డేట్ చేసుకుంటా వచ్చింది. ఈ రోజుకి ఆ రోజు ఎక్సెల్ నేను క్లాస్ అయిన వెంటనే దాంట్లో యాడ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను. వెండర్ మాస్టర్ డేటా ఓకే. ముందు షీట్లోకి వెళ్ళండి. ప్రీవియస్ షీట్ TSVC కాదు. You didn't updated any Excel sheet.
ఏబివిసిఏ సార్ నేను పెట్టింది అయితే.
మీ రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ ఏది? ఎక్కడుంది?
ఇదే సార్ ఆ రోజు సేవ్ చేయలేనట్టున్నా.
దాని తర్వాత వెండర్ ఇన్వాయిస్ నిన్న జరిగింది డే పేమెంట్ టర్మ్స్ అడ్వాన్స్ అవన్నీ ఎక్కడ పోయి
అది ఇంకా యాడ్ చేయాలి సార్, యాడ్ చేయలేదు నేను.
చేసుకోండి. డైలీ ఒక ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ ని డైలీ అప్డేట్ చేసుకోండి. సరే ఓకే, ట్రై చేయండి మళ్ళీ ఏబివిసి లేకపోతే ఏబిసివి సంథింగ్. ఆల్రెడీ OBA3 స్క్రీన్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నారా? పొజిషన్ ఓకే, పొజిషన్ లోకి వెళ్ళి కంపెనీ కోడ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి ఫస్ట్.
ఉందా సార్ ఇది?
ఓకే, డబుల్ క్లిక్ ఇవ్వండి. ఇక్కడ కాదు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ టిల్ వి డిడ్ంట్ అప్డేట్ ఎనీ అమౌంట్స్ లైక్ డిస్కౌంట్ రిలేటెడ్ అమౌంట్స్. Just read one by one. Grace days, due dates, permitted payment differences, gain or loss. Revenue, permitted payment difference, automatic payment, rate of payment, term of invoices. Just scroll down చేయండి కొంచెం. First tolerance for payment advisors. Receivables and payment. Okay, first gainer loss ఉంది కదా. So you need to enter 100 only. Percentage 5%, adjusted discount by 5%. So it means maximum up to 5% we have option to provide the discount, get the discount or provide the discount. So loss also same thing, 5%. Okay, just save it. Okay, try to post now. If it shows any error, otherwise employee tolerance group you need to update.
I'll post again.
సేమ్ అదే వచ్చిందా?
Cash discount may only be granted up to 0.
సరే, ఒకసారి ఓబి
A4 sir.
A4కి వెళ్ళండి. ఫ్లాష్ అండ్ ఓబి A4. Go to position. Here, I think from company code you need to enter on. Continue. Revenue expenditure percentage of cash discount. Okay, go. Permitted payment differences also you need to update 100, 5%, 5%. Hundred. Enter 5%, 5%. Cash discount adjustment also you need to update 5%.
Save sir.
So wait. Cash discount for line item. Triple lines downside also you need to update 5%. Okay, enter and save. Okay, now try to post it. You ended up to 0%. There is a try change, otherwise you can click on the error, proceed on based on error. Save change.
Posted.
సో అంటే మనకి డిస్కౌంట్ ఆప్షన్ అనేది కూడా మెయిన్ వచ్చి వెండర్ అండ్ కస్టమర్ టాలరెన్స్ గ్రూప్ లో మ్యాండేటరీ ఉన్నా లేకపోయినా ఇక్కడ ఓబి A7 సారీ ఎంత టీ కోడ్ అది ఓబి A4 ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోడ్ లో మనం అమౌంట్ లిమిట్స్ ట్రిపుల్ లైన్స్ ఇస్తాం కదా, దాని కింద 5% డిస్కౌంట్ ఉంది, అది మ్యాండేటరీ. సో అవి మనం అప్డేట్ చేసుకుంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం 10% డిస్కౌంట్ ఇస్తే సిస్టమ్ తీసుకోదు, అంటే 5% వరకు లిమిట్ అని. సో అక్కడ మన డిస్కౌంట్ ని 5 to 10%, 15 to 20 అనేది అక్కడ ఫిక్స్ చేసుకుంటే అప్ టు ఆ పర్సంటేజ్ వరకు మనకి డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది సిస్టమ్ మనం యాక్సెప్ట్ చేసుకోగలుగుతాం. ఇప్పుడు మనం సో maximum discount is 5% only. So system the invoice is posted, right? Now open new screen and check in FBL 1N vendor line item. How it will shows the discount something. Okay. Wait. Okay. Here 1 lakh, 2 invoice is posted. One is without like once again. Okay, 2000 ending with 6 invoice document is invoice status is bell symbol. You just click on that bell symbol. That is also due, right? And 23/01/2025. That is also just click on.
Overdue.
So document date, which date you mention? So at the time of document posting, I think you mentioned in
Is that
23.
today's date? Maybe
Current date sir, today date.
today's date.
Two documents.
Yes, sir.
Now, how system it will show the document 23?
No, 23 itself, today 23. That day itself.
This is other day invoice, sir.
Yes.
This, sir, see, sir, being
Okay,
vendor
down.
invoiced.
Okay, sorry.
Yes, yes.
6
Two
and
doc-
7 is today invoices, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Due, and this is also due, not due. This is showing.
Not due. So why it will shows not due means, and second invoice is we applied payment term, right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
payment term applied, so we have a time up to 30 days or 40 days something. So this month ending, up to this month ending, this is not due. So of course, document number sixth document is today only posted, but at the time of document posting, we are not selecting any payment term, so that it is showing overdue. It is showing due, right?
Yes, sir.
So, and okay, just go back and open, and just go back and execute again and change the date, open date. 26th, you need to update tomorrow date. So now one invoice it will shows overdue. Okay, it will shows
Also,
overdue
not due.
because without any payment term, if you cannot selected, one document is generated today. Up to by today, end of the day, it will shows due only. Tomorrow onwards, it will shows overdue, right? One day, if it is moving, then from tomorrow onwards, without payment term, document shows as a overdue. For
It's like
example,
due date is taken as like document date, sir.
yes, document date. Here we can select it as a document date, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So, if we are selecting like as we have given in the second instant payment terms, so it is showing like not due because it is having other 10 days, no, sir.
Okay. So that not 10 days. So 30 days is due date, right?
30 days, sir.
So
Sorry.
that 25. So you can select 25/02/2025. It shows overdue. Till
Yes.
24th next month, till 24th
February.
February, it is showing not due.
Yes, sir.
Just go back and execute that one also. Just understand the procedure. So the how interviewer is asking different ways, you can easy to answer the question. Answer. Okay, and execute. It will show overdue. Third one
Mm.
also. For example, 10 days after you can select, it will shows not due because we have a 10 days or 20 days, 30 days time. Okay, this is the reporting point of view, right?
Just a minute, sir. I will try with this also.
Oh, not for later
Because
future date, you can update anything, it will show overdue only. Why this kind of reporting I'm explaining means later when you're trying to process automatic payment process, you have an option to select due invoices, overdue invoices, discount relevant invoices. This kind of all information we have a have option to restrict it at the time of APP run. Okay. Okay, this is the reporting point of view. Now we'll try to make payment F-53. Go to
sir,
F-.
to summarize, and I think he will also get a clear understanding, Pradeep also. See,
Pradeep.
two things, sir. Prior, we have removed the payment terms, correct? Zero. Means we have cleared the payment terms. So by that time, it is showing like document date is the due date. Sorry, posting date is the document date is the due date. So from tomorrow onwards, it will be showing as due, like 26. But in the second instance, we have given the payment terms, like for 10 days 5%, 20 days 3%, like that. Due to that, it is following the payment terms and is showing the overdue. Correct, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Pradeep, understand? Are you understand?
Yes, sir. Got it. from post document date
If
to
you have
30
any
days.
small confusion, then you can clear it now.
No, from document date to up to 30 days, there is no due at all. Okay, from 31st date started the due date from 5%. That is the
No, for example,
No,
document
that
date
is
is
for
this month
uh,
10th. Okay,
mm,
document date is this month 10th, and our due date time is this month 30. So it
30.
to 30 days. So before this month 30, so it will show not due.
Now due. Okay.
After 30 days, it will show
Overdue.
you. Oh, yes.
in which scenarios payment term option only. One more scenario, if you are not collecting any payment term, document date is today. We are posting also today, right? So till today evening, at the end of the day, it will show due only. Tomorrow onwards, it will show overdue.
Overdue. That time the percent is reflecting, right? 5%
At the time of whenever making the payment,
making
system will
over payment
discounts.
discounts. Uh,
No, no.
For
See,
example,
sir, as his question is very correct. See, he's asking, sir, if the payment terms is not given, then the percentages is reflecting or not. It will not reflect, no, sir.
no, if you
No,
are not
that's what
selecting any payment term,
it will not reflect.
percentage is not reflected at the time of
Discounts,
payment.
discount percentages will not reflect. If you giving the payment terms, then it automatically trigger.
triggered. Okay.
Okay, just try to post a payment entry. Go to F-53. Sorry, sir, line time is not this thing. Sorry, Saturday కదా. Talking ఇంకా free answer. 1 second, 1 second, Raghu.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the payment, right?
Yes, sir.
So
That's
at the
53.
time of invoice, for example, FB60 at the time of invoice, we'll mention document date. So whatever the date mentioned in physical date, we will mention in document date field. So posting date means which date we are going to generate the document, that is posting date. So same here also. For example, posting date or document date is payment. Whenever making the payment, we no need to update any document date. And posting date is today date, right?
Yes, sir.
So for example, today we are making the payment uh, in without payment term invoice. So system, it will shows automatic. It will take total amount,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, yes.
And for example, you will mention today date, and we are going to make a payment for payment term accepted relevant invoices. Then automatically it will shows 5% because you are
Payment
making the
terms.
payment before 10 days,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes.
Oh, I just tried expose that one. Okay, update the account.
Okay.
Enter document number. Okay, continue. Why it is asking document number? Okay, just go back. No open items count enter. Just close it. I think you are not selecting vendor GL account. Okay, enter posting key 50 or 31.
31.
Okay, select vendor number. Okay, enter. And star plus intention star. Line item has incorrect debit and credit.
Now it can.
Next card plus nokkandi add అవుతుంది. You have not entered text, which can be copied. Okay, update చేయండి. డెబిట్ సైడ్ టెక్స్ట్ ఏం అప్డేట్ చేయలేదు. ఓకే, టైప్ చేసేయండి. సేవ్ చేయండి. ఏంటి ఇలా వస్తుంది? సార్ క్లోజ్ చేసింది మళ్ళీ F-53 వెళ్ళి మీరు క్లోజ్ చేసింది. సో ఇక్కడ F-53 దిస్ ఇస్ రైట్. ఫస్ట్ అవుట్గోయింగ్ పేమెంట్. ఓకే, డాక్యుమెంట్ డేటు, డాక్యుమెంట్ డేటు, డాక్యుమెంట్ నెంబర్ సంథింగ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏదో ఒకటి అప్డేట్ చేయండి. Which bank we are going to make a payment? HDFC Bank amount to 1 lakh. Wait. Invoice amount also 1 lakh, right?
Yes, sir.
1 lakh,
Payment
1 lakh.
50.
No. 1 lakh only you need to update.
Okay. Just a minute.
There is no discount on this payment.
It will shows like a partial standard reschedule. Then it will display the discount amount. Just enter the document number field. Okay, remove it. Enter. Okay, here you can see 23 document. We are not updating any payment term, and 25 today we posted 2 document. One document is without payment term, and one more document is with payment term, right? So 10 days before we'll get 5%. So 5% means 10% means 10,000, 5% means 5,000 and 1 lakh invoices. So system it will shows automatically discount 5%. 5,000 is discount. So it will shows minus. It means we'll reduce the 5,000 and remaining amount we need to pay. Right?
Oh, yes.
Hello? Okay.
Oh,
So
yes, sir.
now,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now we have a different types of invoice like 1 lakh and 50,000, 50,000. So this is already cleared, but advance payment adjustment time till it is showing as a open item. So that is some technical issues. We already adjusted special GL to normal GL account, but again it will shows as a open item. But as for balance point of view, it will show zero balances, right? Here 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh and 250s. So total 4 lakhs, but it will show total 1 lakh, 2 lakhs. After discount, it will show 1 lakh 95 only, right?
Yes, sir.
So that our total balance is 2 lakhs. In that 5,000 already discounted. So now 95,000 is balance. So you just double click on the second one. Today 1 lakh invoice.
This one, sir.
Uh, right? And discount field option, you need to delete the 5,000. Just click on and delete 5,000. Not deleted.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
just enter and save it. Okay, documents saved. So that is 1 lakh without payment term invoice is cleared, and remaining 1 lakh system it will shows 95,000 only. So again we will make a payment for 95,000 rupees only, because we are making payment earlier. $95,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here 1 lakh automatically not assigned 5,000 means cash discount place we need to update 5,000. Okay, wait. Not don't save the document. So you can understand, right?
Cash discount to
Oh,
5,000.
5,000. So that is today date only will mention. So now again try to go back and change the posting date. Not for today. We will extend one more 10 days or 15 days. So how system it will. If you can extend 15 days, system it will show
what?
3% too. Like 3,000 discount only.
20 days? 10 days, sir, or 20 days?
Before 10, like document date is 25. 25 to 10 days means next month, 5th date,
3%.
system it will shows 5,000. Next month, 6th onwards, system it will shows 3%. So that is our actual result. So just go back and change the posting date. Just okay. There is an option to change. You can change it.
Date
Next
when,
month,
sir?
6th.
Not
Not
changed.
accepted, right? Just
Shall I
wait,
click
wait, wait.
on this?
Wait. Transaction date, there is an option here. There is an option to change. You can try it.
Where, sir?
I think feature date it is not available. Uh, Beside translation date is there. You can check. Can I have an option to try it? Change.
No, sir.
Okay. Feature date is system. It will not be accepted, right? These kind
Bank.
of uh,
Till
just go back
today
and try it.
date, payment will be done, I think.
Uh, For example, this kind of scenario, if you want to understand clearly, you just post the document in existing date, like last month, December 10th, you need to post on document. Then you will recheck the payment terms.
Here, 95,000, sir.
95,000. The document date, it will show, right?
Continue, sir.
Enter. Check document date in future. Okay. సో మన ఫ్యూచర్ లో పేమెంట్స్ మనం ఇప్పుడే చేయం కదండి, సిస్టమ్ ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ బి యాక్సెప్టెడ్.
ఎంటర్ చేస్తే ఉంటుంది. ఎంటర్ సార్ వన్ మోర్ టైం.
ఎంటర్ చేయండి. వన్ ఐటమ్ సెలెక్టెడ్. 5,000 only it will show the discount rate.
పార్షియల్ అమౌంట్.
No, partial standard recital whatever. For example, you can post one more document, existing date. Like this is the 25th, right?
25th, sir. Posting. Yes, sir.